What are you here for basically? What do you want to work on that brought you here?
Mm, Actually, like I don't have any specific area like here. It's just a collaboration session, so definitely I would look forward to learn something new from clapping good tutors. So, can we discuss some, daily use, what I can say, idioms, so which is going to helpful for others who's going to watch this video, like they can
Okay,
also get.
sure. So we can do this activity where I will tell you an idiom. You can guess what it means
Okay.
and you can try to use it in a sentence.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah.
So do
Yeah.
you want to start?
Okay.
अभी खा लेंगे कोई बात नहीं no sorry for that so do you want to start now
Yes, of course. You can go ahead.
okay so first idiom that I have is under the weather do you know what that means
Yeah, I know that. Like yesterday, I was feeling under the weather when we are unwell, feeling sick.
yeah what about hit the sack
For study,
that is hit the books hit
just like go to bed, like for a sleep. Sorry,
yeah
it's quite confusing.
it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
So what about once in a blue moon?
Very rarely, like I listen to song once in a blue moon.
Yeah. And then piece of cake.
So easy, like learning this language. It's not a piece of cake.
Okay. What about similarly hit the books?
The book, yeah, like go for study, right? As I got confused earlier, right, between hit the book,
Yeah.
hit the. Mm.
Yeah. So what about to bite more than you can chew?
When I can say when we try to do a lot of work and we know we can't do it, is the similar meaning that, or it's
Yeah,
something else?
yeah, that's basically what it means to take up more than you can manage in your schedule.
But,
Do it like that. And then would you like to get to more idioms now?
uh, like it's all right. Otherwise, if you have any new vocabularies or phrases, which is something also we can try to do the practice.
I do have a vocabulary list from
Okay.
A to Z, words that can be a replacement for the words that we commonly use.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
we can learn a few of them.
Okay, sure.
So from A we can say amble. Do you know what it means? AMBLE.
AM.
BLE.
Hmm? No, I don't know.
That means to walk slowly.
And to walk slowly. Okay.
So in a sentence, you could use it in the evening, we ambled through the park.
Evening we amble to the park. Okay.
Okay.
Whenever I walk with my best friend, we try to amble like always.
Instead of that, you can replace the word walk with amble. So instead
Okay,
of
walk.
that,
Okay.
and then
That's a
yeah, are you saying something? I
new word
couldn't
actually.
hear.
Want to know.
Yeah. So then the next word from B would be brisk.
Could you spell it for me, ma'am?
B
Hmm.
R
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
S K.
Brisk. Okay. What does it
Okay.
mean?
Brisk means quick, like the opposite of amble.
Okay.
So the same way you can use it like I took a brisk walk in the morning.
Brisk walk in the morning. Okay. It's like what I can say, like a running,
Yeah, sort of like the jogging maybe.
jogging, running. Yeah, it's like a morning. Okay, got it.
Yeah. Then from C, there's composed. You must have heard about this one.
Like calm and compose. That's the
Yeah,
same.
yeah. So can you use that in a sentence for me?
Okay. Uh, Irrespective of huge loss, she tried to be composed in front of meeting, in front of everyone.
Yeah. Okay. Then from D, we have dainty.
Sorry, which one?
Dainty.
Uh, I don't know. It's like the meaning. Could you spell it this one also for me, ma'am?
D A
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
N
Hmm.
T
Hmm.
Y.
Okay.
You
And
can
what does
use it. It basically means delicate.
it? Sorry, your voice was breaking up, so I didn't get that.
Can you hear me better now?
Yeah, now it's better.
So it means delicate.
Delicate.
Yeah, you can use it like there were a lot of dainty flowers in the garden.
Okay.
Okay. Then we get to E. There's this word, earnest.
Earnest. Earnest.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know what that means?
I heard this word, but now literally I forget the meaning of that word.
It's okay. So it means serious or sincere.
Okay.
So you can use it in a sentence like she gave an earnest apology.
Sincere apology. Okay.
Yeah. And then from F we have one sec. From F we have felicity.
Felicity. Mm,
It
felicity.
means it means
No.
intense happiness.
Intense happiness. Instant happiness. Okay.
Yeah. So it means intense happiness. You can use it in a sentence like when he was talking about his interest, he spoke with felicity.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Okay.
from G, there's this word gleam.
Gleam.
G L
Mhm.
E
Mm,
A M.
gleam. Okay.
It means to shine softly.
Uh-huh. Gleam. Okay.
Would you like to use that in a sentence?
Sign. What does it mean? Could you repeat it again? Shine.
To shine softly.
Softly. Okay. Um, Yesterday I went to the market and there I saw one beautiful clean dress.
Okay, that is nice. Or maybe the dress that I saw in the market gleamed.
Gleam.
Okay,
Gleam. Mhm.
yeah. So next we have a word from H, hushed.
Hush.
Hushed.
Hmm. Hush. Hused.
Hed.
Double H is here, right?
Yeah,
Hushed. Okay. What does it mean? It's
it means very quiet.
Ah, okay.
So the
Hushed.
room was very hush.
Okay. My friend was very hushed.
Yeah.
Mm, that's
Okay.
good.
And then we can do this another activity. You know those words like one word substitutes, where there is a one word for a whole sentence, like describing the sentence in one word. So
Describing sentence in a one word. Okay.
I'll give you an example of it. So, like for example, somebody who loves books. If you had to describe somebody who loves books, how would you describe them? So there is a word for people who really like books. It's called a bibliophile.
While it's a very complicated word,
Yeah,
I can say.
exactly. So would you like me to spell it out for you?
Right, right, of course. I would love to.
B I
Mm-hmm.
B L I O, biblio, phile, file.
But like it's a very nice, vocabulary you have introduced me today, and definitely I'm going to use it and incorporate in my communication those words.
Thank you. I'm really
Thank
glad I could help.
Yeah, it was nice speaking with you. I really enjoyed.
Yeah, it's fine. In the next session, we can continue better.
Right, right, right. Okay, and
Thank you.
thank you so much actually, and it was nice speaking with you. And have a wonderful evening ahead.
You too. Take care. Bye.